So, me and him are racing. We're done racing, we walk up to the finish line. Grab the car, put it to the side. You wait for the next race to go off. You're gonna then grab their car, put it to the side, and the people that just raced are gonna walk to the end. And then do the same process over and over again. So that way nobody is driving their cars back here. That way we can keep it moving, everybody doesn't get too hot and cranky.
You're basically marshalling the car after you.
The car after you. Somebody's going to hand you your car, you're going to get the guy that's after you's car. You're going to get to him. And the process is just going to keep going.
Unless you guys want to be here until 8 o'clock at night. I know. If you cross the center, you lose. If you hit any timing equipment, you lose.
That's my style.
Yeah. There is no chase race, so.
With your imagination?
Chip draw, chip draw. Chip draw. Chip draw. What's your chip, Charlie? Show it to him.
We're going home soon. Going home early.
20? Damn.
Yeah, I got no. Get your chip. You got 20?
Yeah, 20. First race right here, SC class, 48 cars.
48, huh?
48 cars, all for charity.
Drivers ready?
All for charity.
For the cause.
All for the cause. Get on, my boy.
Watch for the light.
Go run.
Right lane 2-8, left lane 3. Drivers ready?
We didn't go in. Okay. And I didn't want to chance it.
Yeah.
Watch for the light. Nice.
All right, they had to rerun this.
You get 5 minutes to pick the car, right? At least.
You gotta talk to. I don't know. I'm not gonna. I don't
That's
know.
usually the rule. You get 5 minutes to here.
Yeah.
No, 5 minutes. Like, if not, then you just go to
Back up. Back up. Back up.
if it's cool with the other guy. I won't take one like that.
Watch the remote.
Why does it
The minute he touched that remote, he gonna crack.
It sounds like the.
I need responses. Drivers ready?
Yeah.
Watch for the light.
You got lighted on the left lane.
Yeah. And that's because he wants to grab it, fix it.
Ready? Ready?
Let me get light real quick.
You got it. No, Charlie.
Give it up, give it up.
Oh! That was a double.
Who was first to worst on that one, please?
Jail and Drizzy.
He's chirping out of his light.
Drivers ready? Watch for the light. Ooh!
I red lighted. I just want to stay with him. Yeah, I red light. Yeah, that's true. But then you gotta play catch up now. Nice let off. Really nice let off, man. Let's go, Trevor. Let's go. Take him down, Trevor. You got this.
I got money on Cody.
I got money on the left lane. Bet.
Oh, it is.
$5.
Yeah, anybody else? Anybody else? I got 5 in the left lane. All right now. Bet. Anybody else?
Last race?
Yeah, watch out.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Hey, that's track equipment. That's track equipment. He hit track equipment. Gotta be quick on your feet, little man. Gotta be quick on your feet. All right, shout out to these two people right here. They've been working hard the whole event. Shout out to them. She was even giving cookies on the sign, and thanks to you.
That's exactly what happened.
Yeah, they want to see what that thing is, huh? They want to see what that thing is. Huh? I red lighted?
It said you red light.
What?
It said you red light, you lie.
So by the way, you got one more. Wait to turn green. You got it.
You got the speed, just wait.
It says 242.
Man, yeah.
What do I rush to?
Drivers, are you ready?
Yep.
Watch the lights.
That was a clean one right there. That was real clean. Let's go.
Winner?
Hey, I seen that from back here, bro.
213.
213.
What did I get?
213. 1-1 right now. This is the final deciding factor right here. This is the one.
So this is the deal breaker.
This is right here
For all the marbles, all the cookies.
Ya arreglé el mío.
So he must have had, one of them must have regular, huh?
Yeah, good he lost the first one.
Be ready.
Sleep on that light again. Please.
I will. I'll give you the break.
Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light.
Left lane! Right lane, red lane! That was fun.
Let me get one run by myself. One run by myself. Put it back down.
Put it back down.
You got it, you're getting a little bit faster every time.
Yeah.
Pick up a 10 each hit.
Damn.
Wait until I get the bigger motor. Oh, you're over yet? You're in
I just
round.
no. I'm trying to put a time on that system. The fastest time of the day. Let me get that.
Yeah, hold on. Let me get that. I already did. Angel, did you guys run?
You said last.
All right, get up here. Right behind these guys. We're gonna find out right now.
My bad.
No, you good. That's my bad.
Ready?
That's so good.
There you go.
I see you over there again.
Oh!
That thing.
What was the time?
I need a bigger motor in this
Oh,
thing.
I'm building something.
199.
199. 199.
I said 199.
Yo, who has a 6S battery for me?
I'm only on 4.
Check this kid. How are they doing it? So basically, you have to do your basic bulkhead.
He's got a little bit.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, race number
Check him out.
That's me.
He popping out here, you know what I'm saying? I missed a lot of races, but he's still in there. Everybody over here is still in the races.
Okay, driver, are you ready?
Ready.
Watch the light.
Get it. Oh, my bad. No, it's all good. Time.
Right lane. Drivers, are you ready?
Yep.
Watch the light. Danny Dale. You want your mindset?
Yes.
Right lane 231 at 54. Left lane 24 at 50.
Watch the light.
Yo, my boy shit running, son.
You mechanic, my friend.
Me mechanic, huh? Benji tight, you got little man.
You you know, you're gonna beat you twice today. Once on this wall and once on the lane.
I know that.
This is heads, this is tails, all right?
Oh, give me 1 minute.
When the summer comes.
Ooh! Benji in the right
I
side.
get 1 minute.
Motor.
That's the ESP.
Yeah.
It is. I got a weapon with it.
Get the line down there, yo.
That's a mama monster too. I can't know that.
Hey, as long as it moves out.
Open your window if you stop. Oh, you're not going to get your window open like that.
And then there's silence.
Now go for it. You want no, not yet. I'm ready now. Wait, the wind's rolling my car. Alright, I'm ready.
Drivers ready?
Ready.
Watch the light.
All he did is zoom down the track.
Yeah, he's taking out. Don't hit. There you go.
Wow.
Left lane boa.
He red lighted?
My suspension's
No, he went off the track.
Oh.
He went nice.
Well, I should like, because if your car start going down, it's going to red light you.
Ron and JoJo.
Drivers ready? Yeah. Watch the light.
Body, Benji, I told you.
Oh, look, he redless.
Wow.
Ganate.
Red leg. Benji was saved by the bell.
My next set of tires. You better make them things work.
Drivers ready? Watch the light.
Yeah!
Wow, Russ.
Oh, I saw that.
Dedication, baby.
Stay in it. You had him.
Did you get him?
He ain't have him. He didn't even have his car.
You got him.
Ron and JoJo. Where's Ron?
Ready? Driver, watch the light.
Yeah! Run that shit!
Gotta watch it.
Oh, drivers ready?
He doesn't care.
Watch the light.
I felt the drip, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the rain event happened. So, well, it's raining, so it was still a great event. Had fun, was able to raise money. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody that came out today to support Eliza. Sorry about that, there's a car behind me creeping. But shout out to everybody that came out to support Eliza. Yeah, it was a great day, great people. I hope to see y'all on the 23rd. I hope to see y'all on the 23rd.
Sunday?
Sunday.
Yeah,
I know. I'll be at your shop real soon. Trust me. Trust me.
Wait, listen, oh my
All right, guys, it's raining. We packing up. End of the charity race. Thanks. It was a great time. Even though it rained, I still had a great time. It was fun. Yeah. All right. What not to do.
Nice to meet you.
Yes, pleasure. Yes, for sure. 23rd, we're having a race up in Mass.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, for sure. All right. Hey, let's get these guys over here. Let's get the fast guys. Charlie, you told Charlie, you told the fast guy about our races? Oh, you're not gonna be there, right? That's why you ain't tell him. Hey, the 23rd. I don't know if y'all on the New England RC Drag Racing Facebook group.
No, he is. What's the 23rd?
23rd is a cash days out by us.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
Fall River. Yeah, we about to call this a wrap. Great day at the charity race. Shout out to Russ. Shout out to everybody that coming out. Shout out to my dude right here, man. It was a pleasure meeting you, bro, for real talk.
You already know.
All right.
Hey, look at me. 2 seconds. Give me about a month. All right, 2 seconds. Remember I said that angel. Look at my face.
Yeah, fun day. Yeah, you know it, you know it. It was a great day, man. We had a good day.